What's up guys, another YouTube video here. Today I wanted to explain my project so far. I know I haven't posted in months. Even though this car doesn't run anymore, like I couldn't solve the issue. So I decided to start painting the car. And it looks different right now because it's in epoxy primer right now. And yeah, it's going well. You know, I'm doing this by myself, no one's helping me. And yeah. So I got the hatch over there. And here's the car. I did it panel by panel. It looks like shit right now because it's just been left outside. But right now it's in epoxy. The sunroof I didn't paint because I'm gonna replace it with a better one because that one's super rusty. And the fenders are like that because I don't know, because I didn't put them on right. But the doors, so I took out the doors and the fenders and every single thing I could take off, I took off, and I stripped the paint with a drum sander. And then honestly it took me a long time to take off the paint. I started this project in July of painting the car, and it was hot, and I couldn't. I took a lot of days off just to like try to do this, and I'm in college still, and I got this new JDM Koki bumper from Bai. It's like my worst mistake of my life. I didn't think the shipping would be that much from Japan, and then the tariffs and all that stuff. I paid a big hefty fee on importing this bumper. Like I said, I'm never doing this again. This is the only project I'm ever gonna have in my freaking life. It cost me a lot of money, and I'm like, all this money and it still doesn't work, and it looks like shit. Anyways, that's the car. I also got this tent. I have the front door cover over there. I just haven't put it on since I need to move this car forward. This is a hatch, and I'm using Eastwood products. I'm using the roll-on primer. It looks like shit, but you're gonna sand it off to smooth anyway. You're gonna sand it smooth. Sure, it's kind of like, sure, it looks like textured, but you're gonna sand it off smooth by the order of grits, different grits of sandpaper that it comes with. It's really cool. But that's what I'm doing. I'm using Eastwood products. I got my paint from there, my base paint, my clear coat. And yeah, so it's epoxy primer, and then you got your urethane primer, and then your base coat and your clear coat from Eastwood. It cost me around $2,000 for all the paint and stuff and products. Only because honestly, painting your car is gonna cost a lot of money. It's not easy like the YouTube videos. Like if you want to make it look good, it's gonna cost more. And I want it to be white and black so it can match with the bumper. Right now, I don't know. This is where I'm at in my project, and hopefully I get this shit done soon. Thank you guys for watching on the update, and I'll see you guys soon.